Every app that you've seen and used that exists out there was designed by someone like you. Apps like Instagram, Uber, Fiverr, Facebook, Twitter, all of them. But how are these apps designed and what makes them good designs? That is what we will be finding out over the course of this tutorial. I'm El Wakil, a product designer, and in this video series, I will be taking you on some of the fundamental principles of UI and UX designs, and my aim is to help you move from beginner to advanced over the course of this series. So if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss all the upcoming videos that I will be posting weekly, and also like this video so that it can be helpful to others. And without taking much time, let's get started. So, what is UX? Well, first off, UX stands for user experience and is used to refer to the experience that your users get whenever they use your product, whether it's an app or a website. Do they end up feeling fulfilled? Do they have a good experience or a bad experience, or do they end up confused? That is what UX is primarily focused on. While UI, on the other hand, stands for user interface and is used to refer to the physical aspect of a product or an app or a website. From the text to the colors to the layout to the spacing, it's just focused on how good the product looks, while the user experience or UX is focused on how good the product feels. These two are both very important as they work hand in hand together in making sure that a product is successful. One cannot exist without the other. Now, a lot of people or upcoming designers or new designers out there in the field think that UI and UX are the same, but in reality, they are separate, just that they work together hand in hand. Now, think of it this way. Let's say you walk into a restaurant and the place looks really good, but they have bad service. They treat customers in a very bad way. That's bad user experience. In the other hand, let's say you walk into a restaurant and the place looks dull and maybe dirty, but they have good user experience and they treat their customers really nicely. Now, that's good UX and bad UI. But if the place looks good and they also treat their customers really nice and in a very good way, then that's to say that they have both good UI or UX in the context of what we're talking about, and that's what makes up great design. There are many tools out there that different designers use to create really great interfaces as far as UI and UX is concerned. Some of them are Adobe XD, Sketch, and Figma, which is my favorite, and also the tool that we will be using throughout the course of these tutorials. Figma is very beginner friendly and free for the most part. Figma is also web-based, meaning you might not necessarily have to download or install their application in order to have access to it. All you need is your web browser and a PC and you're good to go. UI UX design is one of the most in-demand digital skills in today's world. Companies out there are looking for designers who can make their products look and feel good. So whether you're thinking of taking a full-time job, going into freelancing, or even designing your own digital products, now is the best time to start, and UI UX can be a life-changing opportunity for you. Now for a quick recap, UX is how it works and feels, while UI is how it looks. Together, they come together to make great experiences and good products. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos for this series, and also like this video so that it can be helpful to others as well. And in my next video, we will dive into Figma and show you how you can create your very first app screen. See you in the next video.